Hey y'all, how's everyone been? I hope everybody's doing good. You will have to ignore any of the background because I have 5 boxes, Bible boxes, I'm getting ready to go through, and they will be giveaways. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a whole new giveaway or if I'm just going to pick 5 more names from the last giveaway. Comment below. What do you think I should do? Anyway, I know one thing I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to, hey Brie. Y'all want to see Brie? Come here, darling. Come here, my darling. Oh, my perfect baby. My perfect baby. Look at this doggy. Is this the sweetest doggy in the whole world? What is it? What is it? I have to do that. What is it? So she'll look out the window and look at the camera. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. Do you like being on film because you're beautiful? Look at her little diamond necklace, y'all. Isn't she just precious? And her little diamond charm that says Brie and my phone number, my husband's phone number. And then we have another charm that's a little bone. And this is a little. Do you mind if I look at your necklaces? And then this is a gold one. See the gold one, little paw print? That's got phone numbers and emails. So if anything, she's a little Houdini, y'all. I have to be very careful when I take her to the vet or the groomer because this little baby shook it out. Shook it out on you. Shook it out on you. I had a collar and a chest harness on, and she went like that, and both of them came right off, and she went. And I screamed in my main voice. That's the only thing that made her crouch down, really. Oh. It's a bad memory, isn't it? It's a bad memory. Oh. Mommy won't ever do it again. You went down? I love you. Okay. The one thing I am going to require on the next one is that you have to hit the notification bell so that people will learn to check back, because the second person who won, I've yet to see them respond. I had that happen once before, and I'm redoing a giveaway on it. It's been over a year and she's never responded, and I'm like, I think she actually watched my videos, but she didn't ever notice she won. And it's been so long, I just don't even, I'm not going to even go back and look it up. But got beautiful rose gold Bibles, indexed Bibles, leather Bibles, study Bibles, plain Bibles, life application Bible. I may just go and pick some more names, just draw some more names out from the last one rather than do a whole new contest. But you will need to be checking back on my channel, because I'm going to wait a week and I'm just going to do it again. Alright, so here is my haul. After all that, it's another Barnett & Co. haul. Okay, so first of all was these pretty little earrings, which, you know what's ironic about this? I have real gold earrings. They're a little bigger, but they're the same twisted rope look that my husband gave me. So why did I get these? Because these will be a fantastic gift. Are these just beautiful? Oops, it's going to fall out of my lap. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at, it's the size that's just like perfect. This could be everything from little black dress date night to blue jeans to office to on the beach. I mean, these are just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I kind of want to keep them. But anyway, we'll see what I do. Here we have a wonderful toothbrush and Colgate. Why is that in this bag? Oh, I know why. Because I threw this in here to bring upstairs. Y'all let me know if you need a toothbrush and some toothpaste. Okay, then I got, this is something I really, really love that I got. It's a sweater from The brand is Sanctuary. It's a little oversized, so instead of my usual XL, I got it in a large. But it's just wonderfully warm, soft cream color sweater with the detailing on this, just one shoulder only. It's that, I never know what this is called, y'all. I am drawing a blank lately on this, and I have the perfect earrings that are made of this too. Not tortoise shell. It's not horn. Anyway, it's not wood. Anyway, love it. It is so super soft. It is made of, what is it made of, Beth? I'm glad you asked. Because right where you look up what it's made of, there's an extra button. Isn't that a smart place to put that? It is made of 51% cotton, 25% acrylic, 21% polyester, and 3% spandex. I thought this was cashmere. Well, anyway, it's probably good that it's not because I get itchy. But anyway, and it'll hold up very well. And the point is, my husband loves me in white and off-white, and that would like be date night in blue jeans and boots. I'd look so cute. But I would need a handbag. Y'all, one of my favorite brands is Hammitt. Hammit. And I waited 3 months for the black one, and with the gold trim and the red zipper. And now this store has that. But obviously I don't need that. But this one is a crossbody clutch, and it's in the contrast color of black and cream. I love the opening experience on this, so I should have done just an unboxing of the Hammett, because it always says the big reveal, like they know that YouTubers are going to do this. Here's the big reveal. And it's not the big reveal because it's still in its own little bag, which I don't know that I'll keep the box this time. I try to keep boxes, but it comes in its little bag. It's just a linen cream colored bag with the name Hammett. I don't know if y'all can see that. Here is the purse. Ta-da! Is that just a pretty little crossbody? I'm going to put it next to my face so that you can see the size of it to my head. And it is that soft, soft, soft leather in this beautiful like creamy color and black. And it's got the brushed antique gold buttons. It has a crossbody strap, and this obviously has the brushed gold hookup as well, so you can see that, the hooks, so you can take this off and just carry it, you know, like a clutch. What is going on with my camera? It is upside down again. Anyway, it's super, super soft on the back. Perfection. It has a zipper for your, there's a little H in there. I wonder if that's supposed to be, like, make sure that you know it's not counterfeit, or they just started to put an H and then they didn't finish. But anyway, it's perfect size for my phone. It's got a nice thick stick closure on the zipper, and the zipper is butter. Love it. It's reinforced on the top. Just a lot of the little attention to details. I love the contrast stitching on the cream, that it's black. And so it's got this perfect place for you to put your credit card, because that's what you really get when you're on a trip like this. But it's got other places for driver's license, health card, other credit cards. I like this right here for cash or receipts. I usually would put cash right here, and then receipts back there for the cards. And then it's got this big area back here. I can put in my keys. This little, obviously it's got space on either side of this zipper pouch right here, with another one of these really nice pulls. And you could put in lipstick. What else am I trying to say? Compact. I always keep a compact. This is obviously not meant for you to carry a lot of extra stuff. And again, reinforced right here. So that's what it looks like inside. So you can see the 3 areas, and that's it. But it's just like perfection, or a lifetime promise. We guarantee every piece signature hardware and every smooth gliding zipper forever. Need a repair? Handle it. I'm going to put that in this just in case I ever need a repair. I'll always have it right in here. You know what? I'll put it in one of those slots. How about that? I'll put that in one of the lower slots. Should I ever need it? So they're big on their zippers. Matter of fact, and like I said, on the one that I have, the zipper is even done in red. So the red on the black and gold contrasting, and if you'll see the contrasting color inside is red. So when you look down in there, it's very easy to find your stuff in your little pouch. And this is all leather interior, that same soft leather, y'all. And then there is the red in the back. Really like it. This is double stitched, and this is magnetism. A magnetized closure. Of course, they've got this on there that, of course, if you take that off, you own it, but I already know I want this. This color, to me, this color combination is a year-round color. Like, yes, this can go with anything. And let me go ahead and snip. Oh, I don't want to snip that. I love these. These are, y'all, because of my arthritis, I could not get those stinking scissors off my knuckle. Because look at my little bony knuckles. But anyway, when you take this off, you own it. So I own it. This is what's going to tell you. These little Velcro. I like to keep these for, you know, when you have stuff under your desk. I know you can go buy them, but cords under your desk. But I just love this as a Velcro closure. And it couldn't hurt to hold on to this because I will probably always have the strap on the purse. But if you wanted to take it off, you could, and just keep it inside the purse or somewhere at home. Look at that. And one thing I wanted to point out is it is adjustable, which is very, very nice. You can just make it a shoulder bag, and that's probably where I'll leave it, or you can go out longer and let it be a crossbody. So I love that. And even on here, I just saw the name somewhere. Where did I see the name? There, right there on the strap. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. And